here. I got a full crew here. Roscoe's on the road back there. You know, we got Casey, got Mia. We're about to go into a haunted train. They say it's haunted, but I can't tell you where exactly it's at. But it's haunted. I've heard the train come through before, and this train does not connect to any track. It is not active. And here we go. Yeah, this train has not been active since the 60s, y'all. And there's a lot of glass and debris back here, but here's the train track. You got the bars right here to transfer the trains. You got a track here, you got a track over here, and you got to wind yourself through these trees through here. I mean, this train probably can be, 1800s. That's probably how old it is. But it got shut down. It got shut down in the 60s. But the railroad, like where it splits off, that's what makes the train split. Be careful of the glass, guys. Oh, this here. See how far we can go down this track. You got cockroaches out here. Hope y'all ain't scared of roaches. But this train track used to go to a certain, and this train, they say this train track is haunted. They can hear like the conductor's voice and stuff. Look, Ma, a spider. Clear it out. Alright. Anything else? But yeah. And we're over here on the other track now. Weaving ourselves through. Here's the other rail right there. In case this is caught. You got it? Yeah. What was that? You'll see what's back here. Alright, there's more of the train. Nice open layout. But yeah, I mean, I've heard the train come through, like I said, and I've had talked to other people, and that they have heard people. They come back here and they said they've heard like the train conductor. There's a track. They split. Track's way over there. It's wide open here now. Y'all good back there? Oh. Alright. Well, be careful.
No, this time I'm tangled front.
What?
This time I'm tangled front.
Alright, let's go see, guys. In case this is caught.
Yeah, like I'm wrapped up in stickers.
What was that, guys? You got it?
I think so.
Okay. Let's keep moving on, guys. It's a wide open train track here. Let's get on this track over here. Alright. I mean, the other track's way over there. Still the track right here. What?
This one is not too tall without a light. Well,
Well,
come on, stand behind me.
come on.
I'm gonna go back slower.
Alright. Alright, while she goes back and gets Casey, we're gonna move further on. And we're out here all alone. And trying to get a good sense of where we're at. Now, let's see where we can get to, guys. Alright, we made it to the other track. I ain't going that way. Let's go under here, guys. Oh man. Spider web. Let's clear it out, guys. Come on. Oh. Alright, guys. We're gonna now do some EVP readings on this abandoned train track. Let me get my stuff set up. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Is anybody here with us right now? Are there any spirits out here with us?
They're here right now.
Yeah. Can you pronounce it a little bit clearer, please? Dude, that's just... Can you tell us all your names? If there's more than one? I heard Anna. Yeah, I heard you too. Okay, thank you. Alright, so how many of there are you?
Two.
Two. So there's two ghosts here. One is named Anna.
How'd you die?
River.
How did you get here?
Whoa.
What just touched me?
It's a bug.
Oh, okay. We're good.
Are you good or bad? Naughty? Whoa. What did that sound like?
Are you good or bad?
I heard naughty twice. I heard good.
Well, thanks for talking to us. Stay here. Y'all have a good night.
We leave you in peace. Please don't follow us home.
Okay, guys. That was the first time doing that for all of us. And that was just a bit creepy. But we're just going to sit here for a little bit longer to see if we can hear anything. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end it here. It's getting too thick with briars, but it's been the case of
Sorry if I keep
Mia.
stuck, you guys.
And this is Maya. So, have fun, be safe, and explore. See you in the next one. Mayo out.